Need to find an Iowa court case online? Look, most people search the wrong way, get frustrated, and give up. So here is the exact method that actually works.
Stop relying on Google or third-party sites that just muddy the waters. Today, we're cutting through the noise and using the official system to get you exactly what you need fast. In this explainer, you'll get the fast track, exactly which official portal to use, the precise data you gotta prepare, how to pull your results quickly, and the critical mistakes that will totally derail your search. Let's get right into the execution.
Section 1. Where to search. You want the Iowa Courts online search platform. This is it, the official state gateway. Basic searches here are completely free and you don't even need to register. Do not pay predatory third-party sites for public data. And, hey, make sure you don't confuse this with the federal PACER system. PACER charges 10 cents a page. We want the free official state site. Section 2. Information you need. Okay, if you have the case ID, this is your absolute fastest route, but it requires exact formatting. We're talking about a very strict 17-character structure. That case ID is basically a giant puzzle broken down into specific pieces. It combines a 5-digit district and county code, a 2-character case type, like FE for example, and an 8-character case number. You've got to format this perfectly, and this is key. Absolutely use capital letters for any letters in that ID. Now, if you don't have the case ID, no problem. You can search by name. But again, the system is incredibly strict. You need a minimum of 2 letters of the last name, and exact spelling is non-negotiable. One quick tip, if you're searching for appellate cases, completely drop the first names, last names only. So something like Doe v. Smith. So decide right now, are you searching by name or case number? Get your data perfectly prepped before we move to the next step. Section 3, Step-by-Step Search Process. Here's the fastest way to execute this. Step 1, open Iowa Courts Online. Step 2, select either the trial court or appellate court search menu. People stumble here all the time, so choose the right one. Step 3, punch in your perfectly formatted name or case ID. And Step 4, hit search and just click the blue hyperlink on either the case ID or docket number to open up the details. Let me highlight a crucial point here. The number 0 and the letter O are not interchangeable. Mixing these two up will literally instantly fail your search. Pay close attention to that strict rule. Section 4. If you cannot find it. If your search turns up nothing, try truncating your name search. Just use fewer characters to bypass any weird spelling errors in the database. Also, a quick history check. Cases filed before June 1998 usually aren't in this online system. You'll actually have to contact the court clerk directly for those. Now, do you know the county where the case was filed? If the online search fails, knowing the specific county is your trump card. Every single courthouse in Iowa's 99 counties has a public access terminal where you can view public documents for free. Section 5. What you can actually access. Let's be real clear on what you actually have a right to see. You can view standard public records, party names, case numbers, decisions, and dockets. But strict privacy laws act as a hard wall for sensitive cases. You are not going to find unexecuted search warrants, juvenile delinquency cases, or civil commitments for mental health or substance abuse. Also, manage your expectations on timing. Don't expect instant results for a case filed today. New case data takes 1 full business day to sync and appear in the search results. After that initial delay, though, the system updates in real time. Section 6. Common mistakes to avoid. The absolute biggest mistakes folks make: paying unofficial third-party sites for free data, expecting to read up on restricted confidential cases, ignoring those crucial capital letter rules for case IDs, and mistakenly adding first names when hunting for appellate court dockets. Sidestep these errors and your success rate goes way up. One quick distinction to make before we wrap up. Basic searches and docket views are totally free. But if you need advanced tracking, stuff like case schedules, judgment indexes, lien indexes, and exhibit lists, that requires registering as a user and paying a $25 per month subscription fee. Quick recap. Number 1, always use the official Iowa Courts online search database. Number 2, perfectly format your search criteria right out of the gate, whether that's the strict 17-character case ID or an exact last name. And number 3, if you need full document views for free and aren't subscribed, just visit a public terminal at a physical county courthouse. Use the official system. Save time. Stop spinning your wheels on third-party sites or unformatted names. If you apply this exact method, you'll find your Iowa court records quickly and correctly. But it makes you wonder, if finding one state's hidden public records is this easy once you know the playbook, what other powerful data is hiding right in front of you, just waiting for the right search criteria?